Grooving cycle. Select the F7 icon. If needed, use the level cycle key to get to grooving cycle 1. For this operation, we will be using outside grooving. We will define our part, xi and zi, the starting point. For x and z will be x 1.5 and z minus 2.7. xf and zf, the ending point, will be x 1.5 and z minus 2.9. The diameter we are turning the groove down to will be 0.75 inches. We are only using one groove, so the in will be only 1. Offset is a distance between each groove. We are only doing one groove, so we will use 0 for the I. Safety distances of 0.1 for x and z. We will use CSS with a maximum spindle speed of 1500 RPM and a clockwise direction. Define your roughing pass. F will be 2 thousandths per rev, surface speed of 300. We will use our grooving tool, T4, and offset 4. And then we have a choice between machining from the center of the slot or from the starting point. We will be starting from the center of the slot. We also have a symbol that we can change to use with or without penetration chip removal. We will use penetration without chip removal for this example. Our delta is going to be 50 thousandths per pass. Simulate the program. And save your cycle to your part program.